everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. We are back with another nail mail, and today I got this nail mail from Vaga Shop. Vaga Shop. I don't know what like the proper pronunciation, but it's Vaga Shop now. So, okay. So I thought of trying these, and let me show you the biggest ever stamping plate that I have tried. Like, just look at this, the size of this one. It's so mega. And the name is like mega. Yeah, this is really, really huge. The plate number is Jumbo 09, and this is, I think, Wild at Heart. Vaga, Vaga, Vaga Shop. You can find it on Amazon, as Amazon.com, and as well as their own website. They have their own website, vagashop.com. You can visit the website and shop. Okay, so let me show you both these products. Watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's begin. I have tried the jumbo stamping plates before as well, but this one, look at the size of this one. This is really, really big. I really like this, and there are so many designs. This one is from Z Joy Plus. Let me know if you want a separate review for these plates. I have two from this brand and I really enjoy these. Okay, for Vaga Shop, I got two products from Vaga Shop. I wanted to try the stamping plates, and along with that I also ordered this nail decoration wheel. This one has like a lot of colored nail decorations. Like, I have tried other nail decorations, gold, silver color ke, and multicolor stones, but I have never tried the colorful ones. So I thought of trying these. These are really cute. You can see. Please excuse my Cinderella hand. You can really see these are so pretty. The colors, they have like all the pastel colors and a few pop shades. Whites are there, two whites are there. There are square shaped ones. So I will do a nail art with this one and I will show it to you. Okay, so let's focus on the stamping plate back. Okay, so the packaging is really, really amazing. Packaging is the one that took my heart. Since this is a huge plate and sometimes they can get a little bent while shipping, so they have added some protection on the corners to protect it, and wrapped it in a nice bubble wrap. So let's open this one. So I have removed it, and you can see this jumbo plate 9. This is the number and the name is Wild at Heart. Yes, and the store name is here. Branding is there, and this is really nice. They have this plastic bag as well, so that helps in preventing the plate from getting damaged, ताकि आपकी stamping plate bent ना हो जाए, या फिर the corners don't cut your hands while keeping it in storage or while using the plate. Your hands can be safe as well as the plate can be safe. Okay, so let's focus on the designs. There are so many designs in this one. There are swirls are there, and hearts are there, snails, birds, butterflies, bees, animal prints, paw paw prints, and leopard prints, horses, pandas, and elephants are there, bears are there, monkeys are there, teddy bears are there, and piggies are there, cats are there, small ladybirds, fishes, and there are dolphins and different kind of fishes are there. What is this? It's a monkey dancing. There are footprints are there. There are like all kinds of prints, and even dragonflies are there, and so many designs are there. If you have a animal kingdom in your mind. This plate I think has covered all its basics with that. It has like all the colors, sorry, not colors, all the prints, all the designs, and I really wanted to try this one. It's so cute. Look at this. This is a cute little panda, and this is a, okay, sorry, these are not piggies. These are little doggies. Look at the face of this doggy, and there's a rooster on it as well. Sheep. I mean, this is really nice. There are so many animal prints. Let's remove the plastic blue film. So here's the plate. I have removed the plastic backing from this. So I've removed the plastic film, and you can see these are so nice. The etchings are very nicely done. You can see it's so deep. It's like properly there. Just let me try and focus. You can see the etchings are like properly done, and the print is, I hope it's going to come up fine. I will show you using this one. So let's try any particular print. I have my stamper, I have my stamping polish handy. Let's try. Which one should we do? Okay, let's start with this dolphin print. It seems very interesting. Let's start with this dolphin print. Yeah, here it is. I have my stamping polish. Keep your stamper at 45-degree angle while scraping, and roll the scraper at 45-degree angle, and roll the scraper. You can see the design has like come up nicely. Are these dolphins? What are they? I am sorry, I am not able to figure out which fish is this one, but it seems like a fish, some sort of fish. If you know, just let me know. What fish is this? The print has really come up nicely. It seems like a fish, but which fish? Is it dolphin? Is it shark? Which one is it? I don't know. If you know, just let me know. Which is this fish? Let's try any other print. Okay, which one? Let's try this one. The kitty and the doggy one. So cute. I will do nail art with this stamping plate as well, and will show it to you. A nice tutorial done with this at the end of the video, if the video is not long enough already. Oh my god, look at this, so cute. Oh, so cute. I really like this plate. I'm going to love it. Yes. Oh, look at them. Dude, this is so nice. Okay, so it's official. We are in love with the stamping plate. Okay, so now it's official. I will mention all the details of this stamping plate in the description, along with its link if you want to buy, and I will also mention the link of this stones, rhinestones, nail decoration in the description as well. And I hope you enjoyed this review. So let's move forward to the nail art designs that I have done using these two, and I hope you really like them. So watch this video till the end. for watching this video. I hope you loved the review and I hope you enjoyed the nail art designs as well. So thank you so much for watching it, and I will keep posting many nail art designs along with nail polish reviews, stamping plates reviews, and nail decoration reviews, and any kind of nail art product that I can get my hands on. I will review it, I will post it, and I will also mention all the links so that you guys can buy it, and I will try it for you so you guys don't have to try it and you get the best products that one can have for nail art designs. Vaga Shop stamping plates are getting a thumbs up from me for sure. It's like the best one. Okay, it's a thumbs up from me. I really like it. The quality is nice, the plates are nice, the prints are amazing. There is a versatile range of prints on it, and I think the size is also good enough for a nail. Even the small nails like me, I think you can use them. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So bye for now.